getting calls from the murder. I got a girl rabbit, the way she bouncing for the curve. A man defending her like a lawyer, so beware. Some dudes be handcuffing, but dirty, that ain't fur. I wanna bet she got the burn, like a turd. She with it, I'll hit it, though I ain't thinking about merge. I love these honeys, might as well call me Papa Bird. Girl, you know you looking good, good. Hey, don't I know you from the hood, hood. You say you wouldn't when you would. Now take it off, you know you should. Not twist.
Oh my god, the time is up.
Hello?
Hello Mary, how are you?
Hi, sorry. I'm fine.
You don't ready for school? I think the time is up.
I'm ready. Thanks for remaining.
Oh, okay. It doesn't matter.
It's okay. See you then.
Okay, bye.
What time is now? Oh my god, the time is school is this much? Bye ma'am, the time is killing me.
Okay, see you.
Hello, Yoni.
How done?
Morning.
Morning. Where are you now?
I'm going to school. Have you care?
No, I just wake up right now.
Why for?
I was asleep.
Will, please hurry up.
Okay, thank you, I'll come.
Okay, bye.
Where? Hi, Phil. How are you?
I'm fine. What do you did?
You know, I was late, I studied.
You know that you are a student, so that you have to wake up early.
Yeah, okay, thank you for your advice.
No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, Danny, I'm sorry. I've lost my pen at home, so I have to back in. Thank you, but I want to have my own pen now. Please. Okay. Thank you.
Don't you only come back?
Okay, I will back.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a
Hey, friends.
Sit here.
How was the day?
That's good. Why have you been this much?
You know I'm studying for second back.
Oh, so then. Well, okay, have this.
Thank you.
Smoke this.
Oh my god.
How was education?
It's nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're the third from here. They're waiting you.
Yeah, but you know, for the sake of education.
Okay, let me smoke it.
What?
Okay.
Take.
Oh, wait me. How about education?
It's nice, you know. Give me smoke.
Come on, here.
So, how was life treat?
That's good, as you see. We're fine. Feel for a brother. What are you doing?
Just sing. Oh, I'm sorry, my friends. I have two bags with my classmate. Currently, my marriage is that.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
So
really.
you decided to leave her?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's obligation now. Have a nice
It
day.
doesn't matter. Or come tomorrow on time.
Okay, I will come. Thank you.
Yeah, here.
Have a nice day.
You know that you need the class.
I've been saying not allowed me to get in the class now.
I told you before you shouldn't go back.
Yeah, you were right, but now always things are not as we need. Hi, ladies. How are you? Hi, May. How are you? May I talk to you a little?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay. May I have his phone number?
Why?
To call you only. Okay, thank you. Bye. If Sarah asks you, don't yell about, okay?
It's okay, bye.
Okay, goodbye.
By the way, Mir, what does he ask you?
He asks me about his studies class. We are not present.
Fine, but I'm not foolish. Behave himself.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Run.
What happened? What happened?
Wait me.
What?
I saw someone
What?
who drew out money from the bank.
Are you
Just
really?
we have to rob him. I'm
really?
sure that. Look
Yeah,
there.
he's right, you know?
Look there.
You have to rope it.
Look there.
What?
It's coming now.
He is?
It's coming, yeah. It's coming. Wait.
Come.
How is it here?
Come.
No.
Come on. Take it. Take.
Come on, let's go.
Go.
Come on.
Sit down, please.
Hey, no, oh, wait, no.
Get me now.
Wait.
What is that?
I don't.
What? Oh my gosh, shit. What is this?
Tuck!
What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Shit! I've been robbed. No, nobody. I've been robbed. Oh my god, shit.
Trust me, I know what gangsters and hoes go together like a chiller in bad weather. I'm good, but been better on my road with cheddar and glamorous things. Got the few cars, a crib with the east and the west wing. Cause this is how I'm living, and y'all women know the secrets on how to get it in peace. How to pray about weakness, the power of the P-U-S-S-Y. Got a lot of niggas wondering, it ain't just I. Gotta keep the cash coming, and that's on my life. If it wasn't for the money and the things I got, shit, she probably wouldn't like me, but I keep her in Irvin, Jeffrey, quite icy. Sip Seraphim, who does it like me? And the murder.
Good morning, students. Sit down. Yesterday we learned about aromatic expression, but today we learn about weather condition. You come away. What's wrong with you?
Sorry, teacher. I've got to run to
Couldn't be reason. You come with always. Go back to your home. Alice come and follow.
Please, teacher, I want to talk to them.
Don't disturb us. What is the weather condition of now? What about others? What about others? Okay, Dave.
Yes, I can. It is raining now.
Excellent, Dave. Clamp your hand for him.
Hello. I'm in.
Hi, Annie. Where are you now?
I'm here. You didn't enter the class?
Yes, because the church sent you to home.
Why for?
Because of you.
What? Why the kids teacher? Okay, wait me there. I'm coming.
It's okay, bye.
Wait, okay. I will bring her. Wait me. Amy, come with me.
What is this?
Come in, I will show you. You will see that. Please come in. There is nothing, you know. Feel as home. There is another thing, the thing that makes you feel. Please. I think you need to be relaxed. So come with me. Please. May. Please.
Oh,
Introduce each
welcome.
other. Thank you. She is my girlfriend.
Sit here.
Introduce each other. Yo, don't look here, sirs.
Really, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
I love her.
May, please. Down the press. Yo. Beefy. My love.
Feel like you home.
Yeah.
Just like you home. Don't worry more. It's beautiful girl.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Look this one. It is the opener eyes in mines, you know. Look carefully. You may try another day.
Are you student? Are you student?
Yeah, she is.
This one, use it, okay? It's better for preventing slumber.
Just
What?
have to go now.
Why for? It didn't comfort you?
No, but
So what?
I have to go.
Oh my God. Stay. It didn't comfort you? Me?
No,
So what?
but I have good now.
Okay. Don't worry. Go. Back here.
Forward.
Bye. We're gonna wind up our today's lesson over here. Up to next time. Thank you, students.
The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight are rolling by like thunder now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake, 'cause I'm your
Aiden, how are you? I'm fine. What's your name? No, that's good. Let's sit there. Yo, Danny.
Yeah.
What happened? You look like dejected.
You know,
What? Tell me.
You know that we are students. So I study at night, even though I couldn't slumber.
Yeah, absolutely. Listen to me now. I have the best cure for the medicine for that one.
Are you joking?
No, sir. Really.
Oh, what did it? Please tell me.
Have it, but keep it secret.
Oh, what did it?
Have it. Chat.
What?
Yeah.
Is that just good for prevent sleep?
Don't state it. Use it. You may thank me after this result, really.
Dan, you know, child is harmful.
Yeah, I know, but don't state it, you. Don't emphasize it, but it have it, you.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hey, how are you?
Hey. What are you doing here?
No, nothing, but you know, Johnny today give me one very active thing is to prevent slumber.
Slumber?
Yeah.
What is it?
Chat.
Chat?
Yeah.
You don't know the influence of chat? What will it like with the
You stop it. You take a look. We know about that one. Leave us now. What a foolish man he is. Hey, leave us now. Come with me, yo. It is the best one, you know. It is the medicine for that one, really.
Wasn't for the money, cars and movie stars and jewels and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me?
not a lift. Okay.
Yeah, come on.
No, I don't get it.
No, there is not the thing that makes you feel. Come in, please. And it's our future home. Yeah, really. You will see here the result of this one, you know? Thank you. How are you?
Welcome, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Oh, newcomer. Oh, yeah. Oh, where have you been? After that. You.
Yep.
Where have you been?
I'll be here. You, take it. You will see the result of this one. Take it now. Shoot. Shoot. Just like this one. Look.
Well, free brother. Come on. Look this one. This is not leaf. Okay? This is a medicine.
What? Yeah.
Okay, the one is here. So chew.
That is the medicine of controlling your stomach, you know? Yeah.
Fuck this one.
Smoke.
Take it.
Well,
No.
No.
Don't feel.
Try it.
Try it again.
Fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh enough. Oh my god.
I hope you become family.
Yeah.
No feel free. Don't touch you.
Yo, Fefe. Don't feel it.
Smoke. Come on.
Jeffrey. Yeah.
Water.
Smoke water.
Oh my god. You know it's fresh.
Fresh. Oh. Cheers.
What? Oh my god. Just like this one, you.
Hey, would you still want me?
Won't you?
Would you still be calling me?
Still calling you.
You'll be loving me.
I'll be loving you.
But how many girls does it take to get to max status, player status, pimp that kid? Your boy had wigs, but we hit shit.
Fefe.
Okay, don't mind.
Have it. Smoke it.
Fuck it. You need water?
Thank you.
What do you feel now?
I think it will happen.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Oh my god.
That you are correct.
Yeah, we are correct now.
Are you student?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, nice. It's good.
Guys, now I have to go.
Huh? What?
I have to go.
But showbiz from next level kicks. Pull up in them hot cars, go about a whole pot, nigga. I came from the dirt, what you want me to say? I'm at the top of the world and life's a pussy buffet. And that's why I get MIA. Shut the game down so the busters can't play. Hell yeah, I splurge money, hell yeah, I act funny. Look at you like fuck you, all the shit I've been through. It's a wonder why I'm still here. Said I was gone, but I'm still here. And all you bitches that left me here, it's mighty strange how you right back here.
Guys, sorry. I have to go now.
What?
I have to go now.
Why?
I have some work here now.
Okay.
I'll come back again.
Okay, go but don't forget us, okay?
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Please use it properly, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't fight, okay?
Okay.
What happened to you came to school on Indo?
Yeah, last week I was sick and I went to the hospital.
Don't lie, man. I heard all matter about it. It is better for you to give up showing the chat. Your name is guiding me from school. For all, would you like to read this book?
Okay, thank you.
No matter. If I trouble you, sorry, okay? Bye.
No, pimpin' ain't easy, trust me, I know. With gangsters and hoes, go together like chinchilla in bad weather. I'm good, but been better.
Oh my God. What a liar person. Play my code.
Cheddar and glamorous things. Stop the few cars and crib.
Hi, patient.
Hi, physician.
I'm here.
Doctor, I gave up taking your medicine.
What are you talking about? No, come there. Just I'm there. Come now.
Okay, I'll come again if only I'm insane. But now I'm insane.
What? What are you talking about? Hey, you, I'm there. I'm talking to you. Shit. Stupid you are.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Leave me.
So tell us, what happened?
No, nothing.
How?
Leave me now.
You're rotated. Is there something wrong?
No.
The West Wing, cause this is how I'm living, and y'all women know the secrets on how to get it and keep it. How to pray about weakness, the power of the PUS.
Hi, my soul. How are you doing today?
Hi, my side. I'm Elohim. Why do you practice much from me?
I know, my love, but you know, I've started some job nearly.
What kind of job do you started?
Exported to America.
Wow, incredible. Which means you go to American daily?
Yeah, Betty, but I wanna miss you tonight.
Me too, myself.
Really, I miss you so much.
I wanna thank the day that I've got you.
Okay. You know love is winner.
I know you. Will you marry me?
Yeah, with happiness.
Oh my God, I love you.
Really, I love you more than I can say, my love.
It's okay.
And feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake.
Where are you come from?
From my home.
By this time, you come from the chat shop.
Don't yelling at me. If you know where you're asking me, leave me now.
No, my son. You will be the great in this age of past.
Leave me for now. I will see that one. Please, I'm tired.
What's wrong? What happened to you?
No, listen. Leave me. Listen.
Okay. Oh, welcome. Have a sit here.
Oh my love. Welcome. Sit there.
Okay. Are you okay? What's wrong?
No, listen. Leave me.
Okay, relax, sister. Careful. Give me one.
Take.
Oh my God! What happened to you? Yanni, what's wrong? What's wrong?
I don't know.
Please, find some car. Just let's take him to hospital. Please, find the cat.
My love.
Let us take him to hospital.
Wait.
bit. I give you medicine for it. Okay, buy this medicine from pharmacy, and then you will become very soon. Okay, have a nice day. Calm down. Please, how may I help you?
Doctor, I feel sick and I have good headache. And also I can't read the streets of pharmacies.
Okay, what's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, okay. Age?
22.
22. Did you get in any accident before?
No.
Okay. Please calm down.
Let me check you. Please, doctor, I'm thinking where. Please, doctor.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, please let him down here.
Okay. When are you going to go?
Okay, please, deep breathe. Okay, breathe. Oh. Okay. Okay, wait me outside until result come out.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
Come on. Are you okay?
Jonathan, please come in. Sorry, Fitfully. It doesn't matter. What is your job?
Doctor, I'm job nurse.
As I think, if I'm not wrong, I know you when I was in primary school. Where did you learn your primary school?
I remember I learned in Kesar School of America, yeah.
Oh my God! I also completed a Kesar School of America.
Really?
Yes, son.
Oh my God.
Okay, just.
By the way,
okay.
are you dead?
Yes, son.
What?
Really?
Oh my God, I didn't expect this one.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay. Just your result is out. As it shows that you have a.
What? Are you joking, doctor? Oh my God, what I have to do?
Calm down.
What are you doing today?
No, please calm down.
Oh my
Please.
God.
Okay.
Doctor.
You have a. Please calm down before.
Okay.
You should have to calm down before, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just you have a lung cancer. Don't worry, it doesn't matter. You may feel free, it doesn't matter. It's not at the end of the world, you
What?
guys. Yeah, it's not at the end of the
Are
world.
you joking, doctor?
And just, I have a prescription and a medicine for you. Just, you become very soon, it doesn't matter. So, you should have to go to the pharmacy and buy some medicine for you.
Okay.
And just call your brother. Okay, here I did prescription. Okay. By the way, he had addiction.
No, doctor. He has not addict.
As a result, I showed that his hair is so attacked, and just his lung is then on danger. So you should have to care for him and buy this as description. So that you should have to buy a medicine from pharmacy, and you should have to follow him in good manner. but he's on the edge of devil, you know. So you have to care for him.
Okay, doctor, if he take this tablet, he will feel very soon?
Sure, I'm sure. May God help you. God bless you.
Yoni, do you know him before?
Yeah, I know him. When I was primary student, you know, he was from poor family, but now he's doctor.
Wait me there.
Okay, my love. Please don't fall from here.
It's okay.
Good.
What's wrong?
Okay.
It's right, my love.
Okay. Okay. Please don't fall from me, my love.
It's okay, my love.
Okay.
Are you okay? Huh? About this medicine. So, we have to swallow him. Come on.
Oh God.
Give me tablet. One now.
Oh my God. One leg I have.
Come on. Water. Open water. Come on. Swallow it. You will feel better soon. Jack. Wake me. Okay. Lay down here. No. Be careful.
Oh God. One leg I have. Oh. What is my leg? Oh my God.
Yes. Put your knee here. Come on, sit. Sit here. You may lay down on you. Okay. Yoni. Yoni.
Yes.
Yes. You'll feel better soon.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Let him sleep. Okay? Shadow, go there. Let him sleep. Okay. Come on, go. Have this there. Is there something wrong? What's it? Child?
Yeah.
No, Yoni. No.
Face.
No.
I need to chew it.
That is not good for you.
I know, but...
No. Oh, welcome, sister.
Hi.
Have a seat here.
How's Yoni?
Have a seat.
Yeah. Oh, my love.
Johnny, what's wrong? Johnny? Shall I give you water? Johnny, please drink. Have this one.
My friends.
My
friends.
Okay.
My friends.
What can I do for you?
Please.
Huh?
Please.
I'm going to the...
No, Yoni. No. No, Yoni. No.
No. Please. Please. Don't leave.
Yoni.
Don't leave my mother.
Are you okay?
Please. Stay for my mother. Stay for my mother.
No, Yoni.
No. Please.
No. No.
Anna. Yeah.
Yoni.
No.
What's wrong?
Don't leave my
What's wrong, Yoni?
Keep my
No.
love.
No.
Keep my love.
No. Please, what shall we do? Guys, what shall we do? Shall we take to the hospital? What shall we do? He's going to die. Yoni. Yoni. No. No. No, Yoni. Yoni. No. Yoni. Please, Yoni. Talk to me once. Yoni. No. Yoni. Yoni. Ah, shit. Oh. Guys, we have to tell. Sister, listen to me, man. Please. Do you know her mother's phone number? Do you know her mother's phone number? We have to tell them. Please hurry, brother. Find some kind.
Hello. Are you Yoni's mother?
Yeah. What happened to him?
Something happened to him.
What happened to him?
He passed away.
Myself?
Maybe I call my ex-friend.
Hello?
Hello?
May I know who's calling?
Yeah, this is Danny Ayoni.
No, I'm not Ayoni.
Okay, may I speak to you?
Yes. But he's not here at all.
Okay, shall I call Aaron?
Yes. He passed away.
What?
Ronnie? Yeah, I recall. I think the one who addicted to chatting cigarette.
Yeah, exactly. Yesterday I called to him, but other person talked to me. And
So what happened to him?
sorry, he's not alive.
Oh my god, he's dead.
By what disease he died?
I don't know, sorry.
No, he used to like chatting cigarette by the time.
I don't know, sorry, the guy knows.
I don't think he's too much of a cigarette. He will listen to my advice.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, sorry. You have done big favor for me. I don't know what else to say, sir. Thank you.
Be patient, my mommy. May God bless his soul in heaven. I'm really sorry, mommy.
Mother, don't worry more, okay? All we are going to there. Don't worry.
Yes, mommy, she's right. We are going to that. God never close the door to you. Don't worry.
I wish if I attend my education.
The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight are rolling by like thunder now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body